Happy happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. I'm still enjoying my time here at Disney's Aulani Resort in Hawaii. When I'm not relaxing in a raft along the lazy river, searching the grounds for Disney Easter eggs, shooting the water slides, or relaxing poolside, I'm likely making my way down to the beach to relax in a lounger under an umbrella with a good book and a refreshing tropical-themed cocktail, which no matter what it's made of, my friends and I refer to as mommy juice.
Drink up me Harley Joe.
So let's get this thing started.
Basement bartender.
Laying in the warm beach sun with a good book is my idea of a vacation. While the Aulani has a plethora of things to do, unless you're willing to shell out $15 to $20 per cocktail, we need to come up with some way of creating a never-ending flow of beverages.
Yes, the rum is gone.
Why is the rum gone?
The Aulani's luau does include an open bar. It's a great show, incorporating singing, dancing, and of course storytelling in the way that I've come to expect from Disney. And while the drinks were tasty, they certainly weren't as strong as the drinks I'd make myself.
Hide the rum.
That's where mommy juice comes in. Made in a portable hydro flask, this tasty concoction of alcohol and fruit juice will be perfect to bring down poolside to enjoy while you supervise the little monsters you may have brought with you.
Alas, my children, this is the day you should always remember as the day that you almost...
Slice up about 6 limes and squeeze to yield about half a cup of lime juice. Add 1 cup of Tequila Anejo, followed by half a cup of spiced rum. Next we'll add Pog, which is a popular juice blend on the island of passion fruit, orange, and guava. And finally, finish it off with about a 1/4 cup of simple syrup. You can use a store-bought product or simply mix equal parts water and sugar on a stove, or even use your hotel coffee maker to heat water and mix in sugar until dissolved. Add ice to the hydro flask and shake for about 30 seconds. Then head down to your favorite lounge chair, pour yourself a cup, and get lost in the beauty your vacation has to offer. Help out my channel by flicking the buttons. We'll see you next time. Cheers.